In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Squarespace 7.1. This simple task can greatly enhance your website's navigation and organization, making it easier for your visitors to discover the content you want them to see. So, let's jump right into it and set up a folder in just a few short steps. First things first, open up Squarespace in your web browser. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the platform, you'll want to navigate to your specific site if you have multiple projects. If everything's set, let's move forward by clicking on the Get Started button. This will bring you into the main dashboard where you get a comprehensive view of your site. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. Locate the Website section and click on Pages. The Pages section is where you'll manage the structure and layout of your site, and it's exactly where we need to be to create a folder. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see a plus icon or an option to add content. Click this to reveal a drop-down menu packed with different types of content you can create. From this menu, select Drop-Down. In Squarespace, this is their term for a folder. It's a handy feature to keep your navigation clean and organized, especially if you have multiple related pages that you'd like to group together. After selecting Drop-Down, it's time to give your folder a name. This name will appear in the navigation menu of your website, so choose something clear and descriptive. For instance, if you're grouping several pages about your services, you might simply name it Services. This will not only help you stay organized, but it will also guide your site visitors to the correct place seamlessly. Now that you have created your folder and named it, here comes the fun part: populating it with the existing pages from your site. You can easily drag and drop pages into this folder you've just created. As you do this, the pages will become nested under the folder's name in your navigation menu, creating a drop-down effect. This way, when a visitor hovers over or clicks on the folder name in the navigation bar, they'll see all the pages neatly listed beneath it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're able to organize your website more effectively, making it more intuitive for your visitors to navigate through. Keep in mind that this nesting feature is perfect for grouping similar content, thus ensuring your site's aesthetic and functional appeal. Thanks for tuning in, and keep exploring Squarespace for more ways to customize your online presence.